Welcome to Immigrants Financial Freedom. I just read this book, Psychology of Money, and I'm going to make a short video, like maybe 3, 5, 7 minutes per each chapter. And there is an introduction to this book that tells us two stories. One about the man who had high income but was spending everything and ended in bankruptcy. The other one is about Ronald James Reed. That's actually the man who became known after his death, and he is now a philanthropist, investor, janitor, and gas station attendant. So while he lived from 1921 to 2014, he was of modest income, of modest lifestyle. But when he died, he left a estate of $8 million, 6 to charities and 2 million to his grandchildren and relatives. And that's actually when he became known, because with modest income he amassed this huge fortune. And what he was doing, he invested in dividend stocks like Procter & Gamble and Johnson & Johnson. When he died, there were 95 stocks in his portfolio, mostly dividend companies. And those companies not just paid dividend, they were growing in price. And that's how he amassed this fortune, by little investments for a long period of time. So I hope you like the introduction, and we will follow with Psychology of Money. Please like this video and let me know in the comments, how do you invest? Do you invest at least $100 per month? And what are your investment plans? Thank you.